Hello, welcome to Hotspot Connect. And today, I'm here sa Asian Institute of Aesthetic Training and Assessment Center. And also, they are the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority since 1994. So, they're also the Professional Estheticians Association of the Philippines. Yan. So, makikita nyo naman ang kanilang vision and mission. Yan, to be a premier institution in aesthetic education. And their mission is to deliver comprehensive training program. So, ayan, comprehensive program. Ang kanilang core values, we pursue the highest standards in education and training. But, since we are here, so ililibot namin kayo sa kanilang aesthetic office. So, let's go! So, first of all, this is their office, yung training center na to. Ayan, ito ang kanilang training center. Training and Assessment Center. So, dito sila nagte-training. So, ilan kaya ang capacity nito? Ayan ang kanilang mga machines. So, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Andyan yung mga RF. Alam nyo na. Basta mga pampaganda sa face, sa chan, kung ano-ano, mga vacuum, ganon. So, this is, ang ganda, no? Kasi they have the training center. Ngayon lang ako nakakita na may training center na aesthetics. So, eto, mamaya, i-interview natin ang pinaka-president nila. Okay? So, eto, dito sila nagte-training. And it's all about, ayan, the beauty care, skin care. So, kung paano yung mga tamang pag-facial cleansing, di ba? Ganun yun. So, itong, kumpleto talaga sila sa kanilang machine. So, ito yung mga lightning. They also offer mga, tawag dito, mga eyelashes, and then yung tattoo ng eyebrow tattoo. So, dito pa tayo sa next. Hello, ma'am! Ayan. So, let's go to their kumpleto talaga yung kanilang mga machines. Ayan, makikita nyo naman. Siguro mamaya explain ko na lang everything. Ito, pang ano to, syempre yung parang yung steam. Tama. Steam yan. So, that's it. That's it. Dito, umiga siguro yung mga eyelashes. Ganon. And also, we offering, ayan nga, yung mga Korean products. So, ayan yung kanilang ginagamit like permanent makeups and eyebrows and mga tattoo eyebrows and everything. So, stay tuned kasi interviewin natin ang pinaka-president, which is kasing name ko din siya, si Miss Christine. So, we'll be back! For the interruption.
No, ayun. So, what I was driving at is, aralin mo talaga kasi yun na nga, hindi nga biro ito. Kailangan alam mo yung ginagawa mo. You are supposed to be helping your clients feel better about themselves other than looking good. Kailangan ma-feel better sila about themselves. And yun, kung may pupuhunanan ka, una mong pupunanan yung iyong utak at ang iyong skills. Knowledge and skills.
Ayun. How about you, Doc?
So for me, it's aesthetic.
What's your message?
The client themselves, they should go to a place where they are really legit. Sa legality should always be there. So hindi basta-basta. Dapat like what she said, if you're going to give an intravenous aesthetic medication, you have to have your doctor decide, or there's an order written by the doctor. So, because anything that will happen if you happen to have
Heart
an
attack.
allergy, no, allergy itself,
Allergy,
it can cause death. So, if the doctor is just right there, or you can just have a call on the doctor, then he can prescribe and you can do the proper
First aid.
or like anesthesia itself,
Yeah,
even
o
if
first
locally,
aid Yeah.
but then it can
May
cause also.
allergy, yeah.
That's one thing. You have to go to an aesthetic clinic or place or parlor, that you have those people who are really legit people who can do the skills. Like Miss Christine said, you have to have your skill, the one who's going to perform it, and you should have the knowledge itself. Because if we're dealing on faces especially, there are lots of nerves deep inside
Yes.
there, and you should, the person who should give the injection should know where are those places
Yeah.
for safety reason.
True.
And then for the aesthetician, we have to have really that's why I came here, and I love this place. Anything that they will come up with, I really ask them, what are the requirements? Because I do really want to have this place to teach me, because the skill itself, it's
Good.
the basic that the TESDA requires. They do more than that.
Oh.
They do really more than that. And I'm telling you, the hands-on itself, you can do it by the model that you have. And then once you do it properly, you'll have the confidence to do it.
Ayun.
Yeah.
So, ayan, invite na po natin sila sa ating, of course, sa ating office or dalawa po yung branch niya, no?
Opo. So, yes. So, yung clinic po namin ni Nurse Delia nasa Alabang po, Alternative Healing Manila, or the Aesthetic Studio by Christine Lucas. And we do skincare, permanent makeup, and minimally invasive aesthetic injectables. No, we have a doctor there also. And then, may mga nurses kami. 3 po silang nurses namin. And we have a lot of aesthetic machines. For your trainings, it can be here at the Asian Aesthetics and Permanent Makeup Training Center. Automatically, you will receive a TESDA certificate other than the certificate that you will receive from us. And, yun na nga po, we try to do more for you. We want to strengthen you, your skills, your knowledge. So, we believe in that. Yun lang po.
How about the social media? You can invite them.
Yeah, our social media is Asian Aesthetics and Permanent Makeup Training Center, and also my clinic in Alabang is the Aesthetic Studio by Christine Lucas. Then we also have mental health kasi po, may psychotherapists din kami,
Wow.
may acupuncturist kami,
Alright.
may chiropractors kami. Yun naman po ay Alternative Healing Manila.
Wow, ang dami, no? Ayan.
Thank you for having us here.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Ma'am Madam.
Thank you guys.
See you all,
Thank
mga
you for
bata.
watching.